Go, 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 go. Come on. Okay. We're in the trail, guys. This is the part like they love it. Especially the mud. Come on. Ariko, they're getting strong. My God. They're getting strong but they're still puppy. Look at that. Ganyan yung mga behavior nila, mga tuta pa. Mga tuta pa lang to sila. They're still puppy, German Shepherd. Slow down. Come on. Slow down. Gosh. Hey guys, slow down. Yeah. Come on. Cut it out. Panda, stop it. Hey, Panda. You do wrong. Come on. Let's continue. Good job. Hey, 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 hey. Aggressive talaga to si Panda. Especially kasi pag may nakikita siyang ibang aso. Excitement. Tuta pa kasi siya. Tuta pa sila. So, hindi pa nila ma-handle yung excitement nila. They still puppy. So, their excitement, once they saw the other dog, they cannot stop themselves or control. So, that's for now.